For centuries, humanity has been fascinated by the legend of a city lost beneath the waves, a place of unimaginable wealth and advanced civilization. Could Atlantis have really existed, hidden deep beneath the vast uncharted oceans? Our first record comes from the Greek philosopher Plato, who, over 2,300 years ago, described a powerful island nation, grand in architecture and rich in resources, but corrupted by pride and moral decay. According to his account, this majestic city vanished in a single day and night, swallowed by the sea, leaving behind only mystery and imagination. Some researchers believe the real Atlantis may have been Santorini in the Mediterranean, destroyed by a catastrophic volcanic eruption that obliterated an entire civilization in an instant. Others argue it lay beyond the Pillars of Hercules, somewhere in the vast Atlantic Ocean, submerged and waiting to be discovered by modern explorers. Yet another theory points to the turquoise waters of the Bahamas, where unusual underwater formations, like the enigmatic Bimini Road, hint at possible remnants of the lost city. Could these strange coral-covered structures really be the remains of Atlantis? Or are they just natural formations shaped by time? Despite centuries of searching, countless expeditions braving storms, treacherous waves, and deep, mysterious waters, no definitive evidence has ever been found. The question remains: Santorini, the Atlantic, or the Bahamas? Where could Atlantis truly lie? With modern sonar technology and daring divers exploring hidden depths, hope for discovery continues, yet skeptics warn that these clues may be nothing more than illusions of the imagination. So, was Atlantis a real city, advanced beyond our understanding, or simply a story designed to teach lessons of pride, ambition, and the fleeting nature of power?